This school year, AP Environmental Science has been added to be one of the AP courses students at Carlmont can take. In this video, we go over what makes this class different, why it's important, and different people's outlooks on the class.
So not only is this like an isolated science class, but throughout the year we actually do a lot of readings and discussions on ethics and how ethics play into environmental science, as well as policy and law. So it's kind of like environmental science and studies as well.
It's such a real class as compared to many others that it is something that directly applies to real life consistently. And you are always looking not just at there's these problems here, but how do we solve them? I think this class is incredibly important because it talks about how we can work together, not necessarily to reduce just all human activity for the environment, but how to find a middle ground where humans can sustain the environment while still being able to be human.
I think one thing, it's an AP Science course, so you're going to learn lab skills, which I think are important, but not everybody's going to go into a science major or science fields. So you also learn really about how to advocate, you learn how to write, you learn how to speak, you learn a lot of really all-encompassing skills that aren't just dedicated to, how to work a probe and all that.
We do a lot of projects, we talk a lot about laws and regulations, and we get to actively go out and look at our local environment, how we're affecting it, and look at ways we can improve our local system. A large part of AP Environmental is activism and policy, and not just looking at what can I do, but how do we push society forward as well.
It's very research-based, so it's a pretty interesting class in itself. And also I know a lot of young people are interested in helping climate change and doing everything they can, so a class like this is very important to them.
We try and make it hands-on, we try and make it rewarding, we try and use sense-making activities that help you understand really what's going on.
Not just the focus on the environment itself, but more importantly how we interact with it, how we affect it, and how we can improve ourselves by sustaining the environment more efficiently.
So we really want to build this program. This is year one for us, and we want to keep the ball rolling.
Reporting for Scott Center, I'm Peyton Zoll.